Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And as I shifted, to this Twin Flames place, there I became his immediate neighbor. And immediately after that, there were back-to-back incidents, were happening. So my dog died, and it was again not a natural death. So what was happening that since my childhood, I have seen a pattern. Whenever we keep a pet, though it was always a street dog, we never had to, we never purchased, we were always taking care of the street dogs, keeping it inside our house. So this one particular dog, whichever used to stay at our home, it used to die after spending exact 2 years, either 1 year or 2 years, not more than that, always dying, after 2 years of age. And since my childhood, I have seen a pattern that the dog always went crazy after the age of 2 years, and every time the doctor used to give poison to kill it, and this continued. So, as I was aware about this pattern, also the entire family was aware about it. So this situation was always horrible, and I asked my family not to bring pets anymore in our house, because this is happens every time. Everybody is aware about it, but they did not listen to me. So they again brought a pet, and which again the situation was repeated after 2 years. So it was again July time 2019, and when I became neighbor of this twin flame, all of a sudden this the same situation happened, and I was informed that the dog has died. So I asked, what about the body, the dead body? So they said, they did not, bury it. They have thrown the body inside a park. And there I was angry and upset. Why did you do that? So I asked, why was the dog's dead body not buried? Other animals will tear it apart, and it will eat it, and that's for sure. So my concern was, why did you do that? Every time you keep on asking for money, whenever it is about a pet or about anything. And I was the one who was paying for its medicine all the time, because they knew I would never deny for its medicine or for anything, related to pets, because I have extreme attachment with animals, and everybody knew about it. Now the concern was, why didn't you ask for money to bury the body? Because hospital asked for a particular amount of money to bury the body inside the hospital. There was a place. So neither they spent that money, nor they called me, and I was in the office cab when I got this information. And by that time it's already been 4 to 5 hours when they left the body inside the park. So that was the time wherein I was able to take this decision, about this karmic family, that I will never be supporting them, neither financially nor in any other way. So till now I was facing a problem saying no to them whenever they were getting their karma, and every time I was helping them. But then, because of this incident, I understand that the dog was definitely supposed to leave this way, because it was a repetitive pattern. And so there I took took this decision for not helping them. But this type of a dog's death was actually connected to the ancestral curse. So now there is a deep story behind this particular way the dog was dying. And after my spiritual awakening, I was guided to remove this, to first of all to do the healing of this ancestral, and then after that I had to do several other things to remove this ancestral curse, and that wasn't easy, because I have already, I guess maybe I've shared it or not, I'll be sharing it in upcoming video. It is never that you go ahead and perform one ritual, or you ask someone to perform on your behalf to remove the ancestral curse. If you are a chosen one, if you are a twin flame, this will be done through you only, and there are certain things which needs to be followed. And again, it is such a risky thing. So several times people ask me how to remove this, because when a family is cursed, and the negative entities always stays in that family in two forms, in the spirit form also, in the entity form also. The dark entities exist in human form. So there will be people who are evil, who are part of your family member, because that's what they are there to create problems, and their energies are again about destroying everything. And because of their energy, the finances becomes unstable. So a lot of things happens because of ancestral curse. So as I was able to take this decision, and then I did this ancestral healing after spiritual awakening, and it took me a bit of time to remove this ancestral curse, because I was already heavily attacked by other entities because of being a twin flame. Then there were a spiritual attack because of as I decided to remove this ancestral curse. and then there were again attacks, you know, through humans also, because you know they will try to stop you in every possible way. So I will be guiding each and every step how to do it on your own with all sort of, you know, protection. Because if you know you are a twin flame, or if you're a chosen one, and see, I've already made a pattern on this, you know, ancestral one, what all sort of, you know, negative patterns can be seen if a family is cursed. So those are enough patterns through which you can recognize whether the family is cursed or not. You don't have to go ahead and look into the birth chart, it's so visible in a family. So with the help of those patterns you can identify whether the curse is there or not. And then in upcoming video I will be guiding you about how to, you know, heal this ancestral curse on your own. And it will take a bit of time, you know, you cannot be hurry in, you know, removing this curse, because there is a specific timing. And even though if you're a chosen, even though if you are, you know, a twin flame, it is going to be a risky thing, it is going to be a problematic thing. So you will be stopped through a lot of entities, and that is the reason I, you know, advise people to first work on protection. That was the reason I have made several videos on how to protect, you know, how to cleanse on every possible way, like, you know, this physical cleansing, then energy cleansing of your house, then your body. I know what I am guiding and what are the reason behind it for, you know, advising you these small things, because I know I'm here, you know, to guide the real twin flames. And if somebody has come in such a family, they will have to perform the same thing. So you will have to always perform all those, you know, cleansing rituals, and will have to take care of, you know, that environment of your house. So make sure, if you haven't watched those videos which I have made on protection and on, you know, physical cleansing and energy cleansing, what all needs to be removed, so go ahead and watch and start, you know, doing those. Because in upcoming videos I will be sharing each and everything about ancestral, you know, curse healing. And so as these back to back, you know, incidents were happening, so till now I was not able to say no to this, you know, karmic family, that I would not be helping you when the karma returns. But now there I got a chance, I got an opportunity that, you know, I would not be helping you, I was so sure. So there I stopped, you know, participating in any of their drama, and also stopped helping them. So but then later on, a lot of things has happened that I will share in upcoming videos. And this was one of the incident, you know, which I had to share, which was part of back to back incidents once I become the neighbor of, you know, a twin flame. And reason behind sharing each incident in separate video, it is again going to be part of your inner work, because these things are connected to the healing. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.